Good morning everyone. Ayan na lumabas na si Haring Araw. Ayan na ang ganda na ng kalangitan. Lalabas na din yung mga chikiting. Pupunta sila sa park today. Ayan guys, kaso lang ang lamig ng hangin. Kasi mag-winter na guys. Ayan. Sakit sa ilong yung hangin niya. Winter na kasi. Ayan yung mga sasakyan kasi kahapon umulan. Grabe yung ulan niya kahapon ng lakas. Good morning Ate Iris. What pip? Kagigising lang ni Kulasa. And how about Stewart? Good morning. What no? No? You want to watch something?
No.
You want to watch pajamas?
No.
Ay? Suplado? It's on now, the TV?
Yes.
What do you want to watch?
Spider.
It's Spider?
Spider.
Excavator? Okay. Iris, what do you want to eat? You want cereals?
Yeah, I don't know.
Mr. Mehmet, what's your message to Pamela? So you message to her.
Thank you very much for you understanding.
Yeah, I will put it. Tolpo. Ipatolpo nyo ang mga taong mukhang pera. Oh, that one? You want cereals, Iris? Chocolate?
Yeah. But I saw the
We are in the city.
Mom, we have.
We are in the city, baby.
Mom.
Wow, look at that beach. That is not a beach. It's only it's like, you know, the canal bridge,
Canal poo-poo.
canal water.
Poo-poo.
Iris, come to eat now your food. Yeah, it's a pet. Tara guys, kape muna tayo. Yan, kape tayo ng tinapay. Charap.
Wow.
It's gross na. Gross ka na kasi. Ito nga masarap guys. Ito naman kay Iris. Ayaw niya kasi yung cream. Ang ganda ng araw ngayon
Why are you there?
Look at the excavator. The excavator or truck. It's backhoe.
That is not what?
It's Tonka. It's Tonka excavator.
It's not metal.
Oh, it's swimming.
At the
Sila
middle.
ng mga
At the middle.
heavy equipment na mga toys. Excavator, ganyan. Backhoe.
Well, let's start country. What?
What is in Australia?
And that is the beach.
say? Monkey poo. Eat that, ah?
Yummy.
Iris, can you please eat now your food?
Ma, it's eat there.
Hmm?
It's eat there. Ma, also it's eat there.
Yan si Ate Iris. Ate Iris,
What?
I need to tidy now the room. Oh, dito kami dito natutulog yung mag-ama. Doon naman kami ni Iris. Kasi parang helicopter kasi si Stewart pag nagigising, nag-ano yan, lumilipat ng higaan kaya natatakot kami na pag doon sa kama mahulog.
So it's spinning helicopter.
Si Iris nga nahulog dyan sa kama eh.
I want to be dragon.
Hi! Yeah. Morning routine na naman tayo, guys. Stewart, I need to vacuum now.
No,
Ay,
I don't vacuum now.
why? Why you don't want the vacuum?
Yes, I want to walk.
Yeah, you can watch, even have the vacuum. Guys, yung saraan namin. Ayan. Kasi temporary lang naman kami dito. Parang pinapabalik ulit kami doon sa dating pinanggalingan namin, guys. Kasi dito walang parkingan kasi, guys. Yan o. Wala siyang parkingan. Tapos doon sa baba may parkingan sila, kaso lang yung parking nila, pag wala kang yung wala kang permit, hindi ka pwedeng makapag-parking. Ganon ang sistema nila dito. Tapos pag lumalabas na kami, pag wala kaming pagparkingan, magbabayad. Sabado lang meron. Tapos may schedule yung free na parking, kagaya nung pumunta kami doon sa tiyahin ko. Inuwi talaga ng asawa ko yung yung sasakyan niya, tapos bumalik siya, nag-train na lang. Kaya nag-train na lang din kami umuwi. Saklap, no? Ay, grabe. Sige na, guys. At magpatuloy pa ako na maglinis. At ako'y magluluto ng sardinas sweet papaya. Sino bang nag-uulam ng papaya dito na may sardinas tapos lalagyan ng ng sinigang mix? Yan, gusto ng mga bata yun. Yun ang ulamin namin today for lunch. Tapos pupunta kami ng park. Tara guys. Sige guys. Mag-ingat po kayong lahat. Saan man kayo naroroon. God bless you. Bye.